Apple boss Tim Cook faces backlash. They have this is on the BBC, so the number is in British pounds. It's around $100 million, and that was his pay package for the last year. It's a lot of money, but he also is involved in the generation of a lot of money, and with a lot more zeros than the zeros that are in the millions. You know the type of zeros I'm talking about, Will.
Yeah, boatloads.
Boatloads of zeros. You need to start using B's in order to discuss those type of zeros. You might need to start using T's to start discussing those type of...
Him? No.
Trillion. I mean, and I'm saying at some point.
Pay?
I'm saying at some... No. I'm talking about...
company.
Revenue. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I believe in that. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, he plays a significant role.
For sure.
And by the way, no, we're not close to trillions in revenue yet. We're obviously close to trillions in terms of value, market cap. Yeah. But hey, man, inflation keeps going like it's going. Well, tell you something, numbers go up. Or if you're like Mo in the crypto space, numbers go down, then they go up.
The up is up.
The down is up and the up is down. It's like a go dog go scenario every morning with Mo. Hey Lou, did you see the down went up? And the up is going down. I'm like, Mo, are we talking about the same thing anymore?
It's always the same.
Yeah, are we talking about the same thing anymore?
Just
anyway,
the green and red colors.
So you got some shareholders here that are pissed off. The Institutional Shareholder Services, ISS, said it had significant concerns over the size of the award, up from $14.8 million the year before. So you go from 14 to 99. Bit of a jump, would you say? Bit of a raise.
Whoa.
Mr. Cook, whose net worth is reportedly more than $1 billion, again in British pounds, so that's like, I don't know, 1.2, 1.3, received the pay in share salary and for other costs. In a letter to shareholders, the ISS said that there are significant concerns over the design and magnitude of the package. Half of the award lacks performance criteria, the ISS said. Mr. Cook, who is 61, has spoken publicly about his concerns over equality and human rights issues. And he said in 2015 he would give away his entire fortune before he dies. That's a thing you can just say, though. I mean, you can just say it, though.
You could just say it and not do it?
You're dead, remember, Mo? You're dead.
Whoa, that's pretty crazy.
Mo's dead?
Yeah,
You're dead. You're dead.
He's Tim Cook?
Mr. Cook's pay was 1,447 times more than the wage of an Apple employee. Yeah, well, not everybody's Tim Cook, I guess. What else does it say here? His package included $630,000 in personal security costs and $712,000 for private jet use. I mean, you got to get around, don't you, Will? You got to travel around. You got events. You got meetings. What do you got?
Really? There's a lot of traveling going on for him?
Mo, you calling out Tim Cook? Are you a member of the ISS? Are you investigating this?
No, I'm not.
You're like, you're the guy in the boardroom. You're like, really, Tim? 700? Where are you going, Tim? He's like, I got to golf. I got to go to the fundraiser. I got to go.
All right. You have fun. Have fun.
I got to go to Washington. I got to make business deals. He probably has to go to China a lot. Mo.
Oh, okay.
Mo.
All right. We dug a little deeper. We found
China. The company behind the iPhone, iPad, MacBook became the first company to hit $3 trillion stock market value in January before dipping. See that T right there, Will? Is the T I was talking about.
The TN?
Yeah, that's the tea I was talking about.
Nice.
You drinking tea these days, Will?
Still green tea. Here and there.
It's only a here and there. It's not a daily?
No.
Interesting.
I've been drinking the night teas.
What's these things on your desk these days? I feel like it's
candy?
I feel like it's accumulating over there.
Yeah, it's just candy.
But it's all in the corner.
Wait,
Some
that's
green tea over here.
Hang on a second. That's a candy at the front?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't eat that
give
one.
It a shot?
No, I was eating the ginger one.
Okay, yeah.
Was that yours as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are good. I like those.
They are good, yeah.
Yeah, those are delicious.
Ginger candy.
It's like a ginger, but it's chewy. Did you try that, Mo?
No, I haven't.
Well,
It's
think
what it
about
was
it. Are you a
then.
ginger guy or no?
Yeah, I don't mind ginger.
Easy. Oh, well, I've had worse, but
I say I like ginger, and you go easy.
Did you ever have a ginger tea?
Yeah, I like a ginger tea. I've been sick before.
Yeah. So Apple's gonna hold its meeting, and anyway, they're pissed, and they say, "Hey, what the heck, man? What the heck's going on here? we're trying to pay you a reasonable amount here. We want to pay you 15, 20 million. Don't get carried away with this 100 million.
Yeah, don't do that.
Well, that's the thing. That's the difference people need to remember with Tim Cook. Tim Cook is a guy with a job. Tim Cook's a guy, he's a CEO of a company. He gets compared to the likes of founders, people like Zuckerberg or Elon or whoever.
They're in the billions.
Well, but the thing is that these guys, their pay packages are even more unusual because they take very low salaries and have all kinds of performance components and own enormous percentages of the company.
Yeah.